It's the second half. Some fresh changes have been made. Ouattara in possession. And he's won it back for his team. He misjudged the pass. Great stop from KGZ. That's nicely played. Wins the ball. A clean, swift tackle. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Hardy on the ball. Unleashes the long shot. It was a long-range shot, but the keeper read it. This team look eager for more goals, and it's looking likely they'll get them. Oh, well intercepted. He's on the move. He's confident on the ball. They've taken it down the wing. Hakimi tackles. Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. They're holding on to maximum points and not long to go. Can they seal the game? He's got the ball at his feet. He's in control. He's taking the ball out wide. It didn't trouble the keeper. Gets it to safety. He shoots. Great stop from KGZ. Bruno Fernandes. He goes for goal. He's done it. That goal gives them an unassailable lead. Fantastic finish into the top corner. And that sort of finish should give him confidence to go on and grab more goals. He couldn't have struck it any better. He unleashed that powerful shot towards goal. The board is up and new players coming on. Now it's Nelson. Intercepted. Is this a goal? And he fires wide into the side netting. The fans are demanding more goals. This could turn into a rout. That 2-0 was quite simple for them. A relaxed and comfortable victory. Well, for me, that's the correct decision. He's put in 100% and gets the Player of the Match award.